Welcome to Kuttichutties.
Hello Kutties! Today we are going to learn short vowel U sound words. First we see letter U family words. Ad, ad, ab, ab, am, an, ag, ag, at, at, ab, ab, tab, t, u, b, tub, cub, c, u, b, cub, hub, h, u, b, hub, gum, g, u, m, gum, mum, m, u, m, mum, some, s, u, m, some, an, bun, b, u, n, bun, gun, g, u, n, gun, run, r, u, n, run, ad, bud, b, u, d, bud, mud, m, u, d, mud, ugg, mug, m, u, g, mug, bug, b, u, g, bug, jug, j, u, g, jug, at, nut, n, u, t, nut, hut, h, u, t, hut, cut, c, u, t, cut.
Thank you for watching.